the Independent Commission for Infrastructure, ICI, will be submitting an interim report and recommendation to the Office of the Ombudsman concerning contract ID number 25CC0148, a 72.3 million flood control project in Plaridel, Bulacan. Implemented by the Department of Public Works and Highways, DPWH, Bulacan 1st District Engineering Office through contractor Top Notch Catalyst Builders Incorporated, otherwise known as Top Notch. The project involves the construction of a riverbank prevention structure at Bagong Silang Purok for Plaridel, Bulacan. Based on the report endorsed by the Commission on Audit, it was established that no structure was constructed at the location specified in the approved bid plans. Instead, the structure was supposedly relocated to the site identified as stake or as-built plans. The Commission observed, the COA observed, that this deviation was not supported by sufficient documentary paperwork to justify or authorize such relocation. The results of the COA technical inspection, together with the available records, clearly established that the project was never constructed at the designated location in the approved bid plans, thus not implemented despite the unwarranted release and full payment of the contract costs by the DPWH to Top Notch. It appears that several DPWH officials were grossly negligent, if not remiss, in the performance of their respective duties to ensure that the project was properly implemented and that government funds were lawfully and prudently disbursed. Their acts and omissions indicate a failure to secure the required diligence and oversight expected of public officers entrusted with administration of public funds, thereby resulting in evident injury to the government. At this stage, the findings remain preliminary. The ICI has recommended that the Ombudsman evaluate whether potential violations may exist on the part of Engineer Henry C. Alcantara, Engineer Bryce Erickson D. Hernandez, and Mr. Ermir S. Villanueva, among others, under the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, malversation and falsification of the revised penal code, Presidential Decree number 1759, and the Government Procurement Reform Act. In addition, the Commission has recommended that the Ombudsman assess whether there is potential violation of the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for public officials and employees may also exist on the part of DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan, former Undersecretaries Roberto Bernardo, and Maria Catina Cabral, among others. Public office is a public trust. Public office means a sacrifice for the betterment of the Filipino people and not to make your life better at the expense of the people. And please, to them, do not steal the people's money. Expect more referrals to the Ombudsman. More are coming. I repeat, more are coming.